verse 1 to 5. And the Lord visited Sarah as he had said, and the Lord did for Sarah as he had spoken. For Sarah spoken and bore Abraham a son in his old age and set time of which God had spoken to him. And Abraham called the man of his son who was born to him, who Sarah brought to him Isaac. Then Abraham circumcised his son Isaac when he was 8 days old, as God had commanded him. Now Abraham was 100 years old when his son Isaac was born to him. Amen.
Genesis chapter 21 verse 6 to 10. And Sarah said, God has made me leg, and all who her will with me. She also said, who would Sarah that Abraham to said, nurse children, for I have borne him a son in his old age. So the child grew and Abraham made a great feast on the same day that Isaac was wedded. And Sarah said, the son of Hagar, the Egyptian whom she had born to Abraham, softening. Therefore she said to Abraham, cast out thee and her son, for the son of his this shall not be her with me son, namely with Isaac. Amen.
Genesis chapter 21 verse 11 to 14. And the matter was very distressing, and Abraham's side became his son, but God said to Abraham to do not let it be displeasing in our sight, because of the lad because of your bondwoman better Sarai has said to you, listen to her voice, for in Isaac your side shall be called, yet I will also make a national of the son of the bondwoman, because he is your said. Abraham rose early in the morning and took bread and the skin water, and putting it on her shoulder, he gave it and the boy to Hagar, and he sent her away. Then she departed the wounded in the wilderness of Beersheba. Amen.
Genesis chapter 21 from verse 21. He in the wilderness for and his mother took up mother, and the water in the skin was used up, and she placed the boy under on the shrub. Then she went and sat across from him at a distance of about a bow shot, for she said herself, let me not see the death of the boy. So she sat opposite him and lifted her voice, and God heard the voice of the lady. And then the angel of the God called Hagar out of the heaven and said her, but Elias, you her girl. Fear not, for the God heard the voice of the lad where he is. Amen. Here straight life up the lad and hold him. Your land will mark him a great nation. Amen.
Genesis chapter 21 verse 19 to 22. Then God opened her eyes and she saw a well of water, and she went afield to skin with water and gave the lad a drink. So God was with the lad, and he grew and developed in the wilderness and become an rich. Her developed in the wilderness of Paran of his mother to a wife from his and land of Egypt. And it came to pass at that time that English is Phicol, the commander of the army, spoke to Abraham, saying, God is with you in all that you do. Amen.
Genesis chapter 21 verse 23 to 28. Now therefore swear to me by God that you will not deal fleshly with me, with my offspring, or with my prosperity, but that according to the kindness that I have done to you, you will do to me and to the land in which you have dwelt. And Abraham said, I will swear. Then Abraham rebuilt Abimelech because of a well of water which Abimelech's servant had seized. And Abimelech said, I do not know who was done this thing. You did not tell me, nor had I heard of it until today. So Abraham took sheep and oxen and gave them to Abimelech, and to two of them made a covenant. And Abraham set 7 lambs of the flock by themselves. Amen.
Genesis chapter 20 verse 29 to 34. Then Abraham said, Abraham, what is the meaning of this season being landing being of the set by the God, and get the you will take the head of the bug of the his will the therefore his called that place behind, because the two of him crossed an oath there to Thursday and made a covenant of the principles. The Abraham planted a timber, Christite tree, and 3 called name of the Lord, and the God and Abraham stayed in the land of the Philistines many days. Amen.